Jules, dun ulit.
Magandang morning mga kaibigan. Magkasama po yung dalawang isang taga north, isang taga south. Boss, morning. Magkasama yung taga north at taga south Boss, good morning. Pare. Madam, good morning. How are you? How are you?
It's raining.
Malakas ba ulan? Malakas ba ulan? Baka bigla ka pa ulan.
Nakain lang ako.
Vice Chill, lumagpas ka. Ayan, good morning po sa lahat ng
Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Vice Mayor Chi Atienza and our Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Kasama din po ang ating Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad, our District Director.
Morning, Chief. Aga-aga na Lunes, no? Kaya ito na yung nakikita natin. Morning, boss. May pag-anon pa pala. Always, boss. Kala ko sino. Morning, boss. Kumain ka na ba?
Nilipas din. Kasama mo. Kabisado ko yun. Kabisado ko yan.
Sanay ka sa gutom, lo?
Oo.
Mga kaibigan, ang daming ipipresent ngayong umaga.
Good morning. Thank you for your time, and I always like you all. Lagi kong binibigyan ng diin at pasasalamat ang ating mga friends in the media helping us informing the general public, the people of Manila, on the continuous effort to keep the peace and order situation in the city. Kahit bagyo, kahit gabi, kahit araw, through the leadership of General Torre, Chief PNP, and the leadership of our District Director, General Army Abad, and the men and women uniformed personnel, the City of Manila, the headquarters, SMART, and the respective station commanders. Today is a new day again for the city. We are also the Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, and Colonel Destura, Chief of Staff of General Abad. And welcome to our regular meeting of our own little way, our own little effort to really put things in right order or perspective with regard to unnecessary or what we call criminal activities in the city of Manila. Today we're presenting you the following suspects under warrant, and the most famous, the group doing things, committed crimes against property in the city. Sikat na sikat to. Layo kayo ng konti, baka maluhan kayo. Maya-maya. Here, Kurt Russell Del Rosario, alias Russell, top 4, district level, statutory rape, Pandaan Police Station number 10. Si Russell. Ayan. Si Russell ay may arrest warrant with criminal case number R-MNL-25-04220-22-CR issued by Honorable P. Maria Barrias-H, presiding judge, Family Court, Branch 6, Manila, dated June 25. No bail recommended. Number 2, Nino Cortez E. Branzuela, alias Cuyano o alias Nino, top 7 regional rape, District Police Intelligence Operation Unit, DPIOU, under the, again, supervision of General Abad. Warrant of arrest with criminal case number R-MNL-18-1042-85-CR issued by Honorable Marister B. Vedana, presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 48, Manila. No bail recommended. Another arrest, Jaco de la Cruz, San Basilio. Number 3, Jaco de la Cruz E. Cabasares, top 5, district level, murder by Barbosa Police Station, Precinct 14. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Barry Boy Ariola Salvador, presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 185, under criminal case number R-RMNL-25-05-268-CR. No bail recommended. Jaco. Number 4, Juan Ian Valdemar E. Lavadero, top 1, station level, kidnapping. Dahil Santa Cruz Police Station, scene number 3. Arrest warrant issued by Honorable Isagani Gomez Calderon, presiding judge of Regional Trial Court, First Judicial Region, Branch 8, La Trinidad, Benguet. Dalit salita po ito'y nagtago sa Maynila. Dito po namahay. No bail recommended. Marilyn Ponce E. Artajo, top 2, station level, violation of section 5 and 11, article 2, RA 9165. Sabihin na ito, trompeta po ito. Precinto 13. Kaya po Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Grace P. Chavez P., Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 177, Manila. No bail recommended. Ito na po yung panglima, or what you call the Dura-Dura Group. Kung maalala niyo yung mga nagpa-viral, nabibidyoan, mga araw, salisi lang. Ito, may style na. Sabihin, may dura ka. Kasi ipigil ka, sasalisi lang. Ito yung grupo, hindi lang po isa. Halos buong grupo. Arrested. Rafi Boy de Dios Sea. Randolph Dato E. Pared. Kyle Robbie Cachiler Maduli.
Siga to.
Jomar Carnate E. Kanyagura. Danilo Rosales E. Mohita. Maria Cristina Luceño E. Bruno. Ayun yung complainant. Daming complainant. Yun, 5. Ako maduduraan yung way back. Ito, may complainant sa kaso nangyari. Plus the fact na nagkakaroon ngayon ng maraming insidente sa Maynila. Snatching, yan, sa Lisay. Nung araw, tawag lang namin dyan sa Lisay. O kaya, budol. Mamubudol. But at least, I am happy to report to you sa ating mga kababayan sa Luzon na itong mga kriminal, pagtago man sa Maynila o tumakbo man, ginawa nila yung krimen sa Maynila, ahabulin natin sila. At yung mga crimes against property, katulad nung halimbawa, may isang lumapit dito noong isang araw, nahanap niya. Nagbakasyon lang yung pamilya. Pagbalik nila, gusto yung bahay nila. So, rest assured to our people in the city of Manila, in our own little way, through the leadership of General Abad and the men and women uniformed personnel of the city police or Manila Police District or Philippine National Police. We'll do our best. If we can prevent them, I think yun, pang gold medal. But if we cannot prevent them, we assure you, mamamatay sila ng puyat or walang tulog. Yun ay kamamatay nila. Dahil hindi po kami titigil hanggat hindi sila napasa sa ilalim o napapapanagot sa mata ng batas at bibigay namin sa husgado yung para masabi kung sila ay may kasalanan o wala. But for the meantime, we assure you, hindi kami magpapahinga, lalo na nag-uusap na kami ni General Abad kahapon, ano pa rin, yung sa lakas ng ulan na ito. Maraming saradong negosyo, alam mo yung mga Colombians, mananamantalaya. Style yan. Kaya naiintindihan niya dahil si General Abad, Maynila rin. Pasang-pasa niya rin naman. So, in our own little way, ano kami, trabahuin natin. Ako, panagutin natin sila. We have po yung Dura-Duraga. Kahit ano pang pangalan ninyo sa mga grupo ninyo, sa mga sarili ninyo, you are not welcome in the city of Manila. Our people deserves better things. Our people deserves to have a peaceful community. Anatag na po, as we committed to our people. Hindi kami mangingimi na iparada kayo ng iparada rito. At the very least, to inform the public that things are being acted upon. At kami naman pagsisikap namin. Tutulong-tulong ang inyong PNP at ang pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. You may now ask questions to particular officers or maybe in my own little way. Kung mayroong katanungan sa amin ni Vice Mayor, sagutin namin kami nila General. Thank you for your time.